Today we're doing chicken fingers from Tasty Tuesday. And this is the deal. You get 1.5 pounds of white chicken breast meat. You skin it real good. Make sure you get all the little white things off of it. And then you rinse it real good and you pat it dry. Okay, after you pat it dry, you'll have a bowl, and that's what I call the marinating sauce. It's buttermilk, and you can either put buttermilk or you can put beer. If you don't want the alcohol flavor, you can get the near beer. So you'll have the taste when you bite into your chicken, and it's really good. So this is what we do. We take the chicken, we slice it up. Make sure all your pieces are equal to the same size, because you don't want something to get done faster than the other one. And you take it, and after you mix it up, let it marinate maybe about an hour or so. And then you take it, and what you do, you wipe off all the excess you can. Because a lot of people think if you got a lot of water or batter or whatever, and then when you fry it, it messes it up. Okay, and you don't want to overcrowd your skillet or your deep fryer, because it takes away the temperature. It won't be as even as it would be for the rest of the pieces. And in this batter, I put cayenne pepper, and I put some fresh dried herbs and garlic powder. If you ever been really watching, you know I do not work well with garlic salt or onion salt. I use the powders, and I like the dry herbs. Okay, now this chicken here has been marinating for about an hour. And we're going to drop this in the deep fryer. And this is my first time using the deep fryer other than at home. So you have to be real careful with the temperature, because you don't want the batter to get done before the meat does. So we're going to put in 1, 2, 3, and that's what you want to hear, that sizzle. 4. Okay, we're just going to put in 4 pieces. Okay, then we're going to drop the basket into the hot oil. Temperature is about 350. We have corn on the cob, and this is Callie-style veggies. Okay, here we have carrots, broccoli, Parmesan cheese, and cauliflower with butter. And here's our corn on the cob. And we have barbecue sauce, ranch dressing, honey mustard, and I made from scratch some cornbread. Okay, I put 2 tablespoons of honey, and I put a 1/2 pint of buttermilk, and then I add 2 eggs. And I let the butter get warm and hot in the pan, and then I just put the mixture in there. So it should be pretty delicious. My first time trying it. And you can also teach me stuff too while you go online, and you can subscribe, and that way we can communicate with each other, and you can tell me different things that I'm doing or what you might want to do, and that would be a great thing for MTS Tasty Tuesday. And thank you so much.
Everything looks delicious. We have chicken, but I'm just disappointed we don't have the beer, the ale, but at least it's... I don't miss it. It's good. It's delicious. And the corn in the cob. Let me get it. Let me taste my corn. It looks so good.
I like fresh corn. I prefer that than the
It is sweet. The taste is really good. My next one is the I can't even finish through. I'm gonna eat everything. It's gonna go together. It's a cornbread. Honey? She said honey.
Yeah, she put honey in bread.
tastes different. It's nice. I get a little butter for my zone too. I add the butter to butter. And the French fries, well, we know French fries are always good, but this one has a little more salt in it. It complements all the rest of the food. The veggie. What's the veggie? Can't forget the veggie. Good. Good, good, good. I enjoy this. Wonderful. Good job. Well done.
The chicken is good, the corn is good, the bread, everything delicious. And I enjoy being here on Tasty Tuesday.
Hi, Roxanne. It's a pleasure being here. Thank you, Miss Smith, my friends, my Tasty Tuesday friends. So Miss Margaret said everything. The plate is attractive. You know, she tasted it. But my middle name is cornbread. So I'm gonna get in here and get the cornbread.
She's singing for that one.
Is that right?
And we got French fries with barbecue sauce. It's good. Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much.